Everyone is trying to find a way to manage all the restrictions these days, so the sneaky thing a BC couple did to jump the queue and get vaccinated is getting all kinds of attention. As Robin Gill reports, what they attempted involved a charter flight, a small town, and lots of planning.
Rod Baker comes from a wealthy family. Ekaterina Baker is an aspiring actress. Their story now making headlines around the world, hitting especially hard in the Yukon Times.
From our perspective, we were just completely angry, frustrated with these folks.
The couple's elaborate plot involved flying from Vancouver to Whitehorse, checking into a hotel for a couple of days, then chartering a private jet to Beaver Creek. Beaver Creek is a small border town with only about 100 people. The couple apparently got into line for the vaccine and pretended to be workers at a local motel. No one in Beaver Creek suspected anything until they asked for a ride to the airport. As the Bakers were boarding a flight, officers caught up with them and fined them $2,300 for violating the 14-day quarantine they should have taken upon landing in Yukon. The vaccine was intended for the White River First Nation living in this remote community. The closest hospital is 5 hours away, so Indigenous leaders are outraged.
My first thought was privileged. They're being shamed, good, but that's not enough. I see nothing less than a criminal record for these people.
And keep calm, Dr. Bonnie Henry, British Columbia's public health officer, wasn't so kind with her words.
They should be ashamed of themselves. They put a community at risk for their own benefit, and that to me is appalling.
The thing is, the vaccine requires 2 doses, so a lot of effort went into getting the first one. But what was the plan for the second dose? Guess we'll never know. Robin Gill, Global News, Vancouver.